Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to MK Community Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to explain to you about the coverages for the rules and regulation of American Realty Owner and Manager Association. So basically, this is basically some of the rules that once you bind your coverages, what you're covered, what you're not. Basically, I'm here just to explain some of the rules. So the part one is property insurance, as over here. So basically, what are your limits? What are your pearls? Obviously, this is called special causes of pearls, special form CP10. It all depends, like what type of home. If it's renter's insurance, you'll get different type of pearls. If those people that don't know what pearls is basically certain items that you automatically cover for. For example, lightning, fire, hail, wind, sudden pearls. These are called pearls. If you search online, you get more about what pearls are. So these are some of the items that you're covered for if something does happen. So that's what pearl is. So some of the they give you limits if something like to happen. So special endorsement like earthquake limit, it's $100,000. Flood limit, water backup. These are some of the optional coverages. That is let's say if you live in an area where there's a frequent earthquake, you want to have earthquake coverages. If you're in an area you have flood, you want flood coverage. So these are coverages that obviously you want to have. Now section 2 is general liability insurance. Now this property and liability. Liability, what it means is if you're getting sued. That's what liability coverage is. It all depends on what they give you. So a lot of basics, a lot of agents and broker will give you $1 million in liability and aggregate $2 million per location. It all depends on what they will give you. So there's also lead as well. There's sometimes lead exclusions inside or mold exclusions. If you think you might be liable for that, some people add it, some people don't. It's up to the person. Well, obviously each individual insured. Now, if you want to have an umbrella coverage is good for those people that are planning to have, let's say, for example, if you have a home, 5 homes, 2 cars, obviously, in each home you have a pit bull, Rottweiler, something that there's a chance that you might get sued. Because a person can sue you and they can come after your property if you don't have an umbrella insurance. So let's say if you have a $2 million umbrella insurance and the person sues you for, let's say, $1 million, guess what? Your umbrella insurance is going to kick in. That guy can come after the assets, which are your homes, your cars, and any other bank, obviously money that you have in your bank. But the umbrella policy, which is $1 million, $2 million that you have, is going to kick in and pay the insured for the liable coverages. So that's what umbrella policy is. Umbrella policy is very important for people like I said, has more. Let's say if they have other type of liabilities, like I mentioned in my example, if you have assets, obviously it's very good to have. Cyber liability is basically for people that are planning to, let's say if you're doing some type of computer work, if you have your client's information and you get stolen, guess what? You need cyber liability because they can't come after you because you were responsible for the information and the information got breached, whatever, got hacked, whatever the reason is. So that's what cyber liability is. So it's always good to have cyber liability if you're doing some type of obviously in business like this. So make sure you know that part. Now this second page is obviously coverages. Amendment. A lot of times, as you're a broker agent, you can amend coverages. So let's say, for example, once you bind your coverages, you didn't want to put earthquake, and after 2-3 months you decide you want to put earthquake, you can always do that. The only part is they have to amend it, which means they have to add an extra pearl or an extra item inside your coverages. That is not a problem for people. Always read through it. Whatever coverages that they're giving you for general liability, property coverages, you always want to know. Obviously, it's always best to know, what type of information you're giving. So these are PNC real estate property selling points. I just put something extra. Obviously, these are some of the coverages you can have if you're planning to, working in this type of environment. Flood coverages cover up to $1 million. Water backup $1 million. These are all coverages that you want to have. Obviously, some certain things will pay up to 110% of the damages. Certain insurance companies are going to find out from them. Cyber liability and data comprehensive coverages. Obviously, like Social Security, credit card, is something that's stolen your bank account information. Lead and mold coverages, also some of them are included. You're just going to find out which insurance carrier you're with if you're a broker. Obviously, assault and battery, obviously firearm, animal exclusions, These are some of the things that you might be interested if you're a broker slash agent, if you're selling to your clients, or if you're an insurer. If you don't find out, you can always find out if these things are added or if these are automatically included. So basically, with that wraps it up. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, comment, concern about this or anything else, please comment, like, subscribe below. I'll try my best to come to you guys and help you out with any difficulties, any question does arise. Thank you again for watching this video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.